Again, it's Dwight Cooking Show, and today I'll be preparing oxtail for you guys. I hope you enjoy. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, guys, here I am now. Since I had already gone ahead and seasoned my oxtail overnight to let it marinate for the best cooking, I'm going to put in the description below a list of stuff that I had put in it, which are these stuff right here: your bell pepper, your tomato, your onion, carrots, hot pepper, oxtail seasoning, black pepper, mixed seasoning, pimento and stuff. So I'll put it in the description below. Okay guys, here we go. The pot is almost hot. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to try and separate all the herbs off the oxtail and add it to the pot. Here I'm going ahead and adding the oxtail to the pot. Now guys, most of you know that you don't really have to add any oil because the oxtail has a lot of fat on it, so it will prepare its own oil in the pot. So I'll just go ahead and just add the oxtail to the pot. There you go. So I'm gonna let it brown on each side. So I'm gonna gradually stir it. There you go guys, coming around to the color. You see how it's getting brown. Okay guys, now that it got its texture brown, I'm gonna go ahead and add the water to it. And just let it boil for about an half an hour and come back and check it. Now guys, if you notice all the oil, and I didn't use any oil in the pot, so you see that the oxtail has a lot of fat, so it produces its own oil. Now guys, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of browning to the pot. Okay guys, so now we're going to add some warm water. Remember, you have to add the exact temperature water to the pot, because you can't add cold water to a hot pot. So now I'm gonna add season to the pot. Whoops. And just let it cook. Guys, look at that, it's falling off the bone. So I'm going to prepare to add the beans now. Whoops, I'm losing the pot guys. Okay, there you go. So I'm just gonna leave it now to simmer, and for the finishing product. Okay guys, there you go, the finishing touch. You can see a bone there, the meat has actually fallen off it. So I'm going to turn off the stove now. Okay guys, join me at the table. And thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Okay guys, there's the finishing touch. Thanks for joining me. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.